Hey guys, in this video we are going to see how to set up text to speech in your Construct 3 projects with Microsoft Azure service. We are going to use an API provided by Azure server which will transmit the text entered here to the server, and server will respond to you with the voice of the text. So let's take a look at how it works. So first we have different characters, I think around 450 or more. Let me choose one character. Let me select Bella. Hello, how are you?
Hello,
All
how
right,
are you?
you can see that. So there are different voices you can select. So this is only demonstration. So maybe you want to have only English, that too UK English or US English or Australian English, Indian English. So you might have your own requirement. So you can choose your favorite voices from here. So as of now, this template will give you all the voices, and I have also given the option to download the song. Let me put this in my downloads. I'll name it as file 1, and it is downloaded as mp3 file. If I play it,
Hello, how are you?
you can see, right? All right, so let's see how to we develop this project so that you can implement within your concept games or apps.